we'll guide you through how to set up a Namecheap dedicated server. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once logged in, head over to the dashboard by clicking on your username in the upper right corner and selecting Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Next, locate the Dedicated Servers section. You'll see a list of servers that you've purchased. Click on the server you wish to set up. You'll be taken to the Server Management page, where you'll find various options for configuration. Look for the Reinstall button. This option allows you to set up your server from scratch with the operating system of your choice. Click on Reinstall and select the operating system you want. You might see options like CentOS, Ubuntu, or Windows Server, among others. Choose the one that suits your needs and click Next. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice, so double-check everything and then confirm. The installation process will begin, and it may take several minutes to complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll receive the login credentials for your server. These details are crucial, so make sure to store them safely. Now, you can SSH into your server using a terminal application on your computer. Open your terminal and type the command SSH root at your cyber key, replacing your cyber key with the actual IP address of your server. Enter the password when prompted. Once logged in, you can start configuring your server as per your requirements, whether it's setting up web hosting, a database, or another service. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.